In this video, I'll show you ProfitPulse, the part of ClientBranch that tells you what you really keep from every job. Staying booked is not the same as staying profitable, and travel, supplies, and commissions quietly eat jobs that looked great on paper. ProfitPulse lives right here in the left menu. This is your year at a glance. Every job this business has taken, with its income, expenses, real net, and margin, plus how many open offers are still on the table. You can already see which gigs earn their keep. Now the best part, a new offer just came in, so let's price it before saying yes. Click New Job. Give the job a name. We'll leave the status as an offer because we haven't said yes yet. Add the date it would happen. And link the client. This pulls from your ClientBranch contacts, so later you can see profit per client, not just per job. Drop in the venue. Notice this too. You can link the invoice, proposal, or booking behind a job, and any payments collected against them flow in as your actual income automatically. No retyping numbers from your bank statement. Now the money. The resort offered $3,500 for a full wellness stay. But showing up costs money. Travel to the coast, $250. An overnight stay, $180. And here's a favorite touch. The booking agent takes 10%, so just type 10, and ProfitPulse calculates the commission off your gross income automatically. No spreadsheet math. And there it is, the bottom line, updating live as you type. $3,500 gross becomes $2,720 in your pocket, a 78% margin. This offer is worth taking, and now you know it before you say yes. Click Save Job, and it joins your list. There's our new offer, right alongside everything else, with its projected net and margin. If the client comes back with a different fee, just duplicate the job and compare the two versions side by side. Next, templates. If you do the same kind of job again and again, build your standard cost list once. Bloom Wellness has one for corporate wellness days and one for weekend retreats. Starting a new job from a template means you never rebuild the same expense list twice. And finally, reports. This is where the whole year comes together. Month by month, you see income, expenses, net, and how reality compared to what you projected. When a month runs under projection, you'll spot it here first. Scroll down and it gets even more useful. Profit per client shows who your business really makes money with, and best and worst jobs reveal the gigs that quietly lose money, like this bank seminar that barely broke even after travel. That's the insight that changes what you charge next time. One more thing. The Export CSV button up top hands your accountant the whole year in one file, and if you book in more than one currency, ProfitPulse keeps each one exact instead of blending them. That's ProfitPulse in ClientBranch. Know what you keep from every job before you say yes. See you in the next one.